to solve a system. Find the point, I'll say find point x comma y that satisfies both or all equations. We're only worried about two equations with our systems. How to check a solution. So just so you know, on this test that you take, you should be able to know whether or not you got the correct answer, because if you were to answer 4, -4, you could actually plug those numbers in. Remember, this is the x and this is the y. So you could say 4 plus -4. We're kind of doing substitution here. This is actually similar to one of the methods I'm going to teach you. You're substituting the 4 for the x, -4 for the y. Does that equal 0? Kind of like a question mark. Is 4 plus -4 equal to 0? Yes, so they check this equation. -4, again where there was a y, equals 1.5, and now I'm replacing the x with a 4, minus 10. 1.5 times 4 is 6, take away 10, -4, checks. So this right here is equivalent to -4. If the left side of the equation matches the right side of the equation, it checks through. Okay? Questions with that? Do you have what you need? Did you forget something or lose something? Yeah.
No, I'm fine.
You good? Okay. I don't want you guys to not ask questions because the video's on. I don't really care about that. I want you guys to ask questions if I come across them. So that's how you'll know whether or not your answer is correct. You can plug them all in. Okay? One question on the practice test, which I did not hand out to you. I'll give that to you on Monday. But one question on the practice test is, does this check, or is this a solution? And if it works in both, it does. One of the methods to solving a system is by graphing. When you graph, okay, I should actually go back up here to what does it mean to solve a system. Find the point that satisfies both equations, or find the point where two lines cross. This is a very basic definition. This is not actually the true definition, because you can have a system of an inequality and you can have more than one equation, so on and so forth. But in the basic sense, where two lines cross. So we're going to graph these two lines.